In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to download and install Rimworld on PC or laptop. So to begin with the procedure, you have to open up a browser and on the web address bar type in steampowered.com. So unless and until you don't install Steam, you won't be able to access the game. To install Steam, you have to press on install Steam from the top right hand side corner and then select the device that you're installing Steam on. When you're done installing it, go ahead and create your account and go to stores when you're logged in. When you are on the store section, on the search box, go ahead and type in the game that you're looking for. That is Rimworld. Type in that. When you locate Rimworld, go ahead and press on it. It's going to take you to the info page or all of these guides and go through it. And if you're sure about it, then click on add to cart. When you've added the game to your cart, then you could go to press on view my card and continue to payments. When you've done that, it's going to ask you to enter in or provide in your billing address and all that. And when you've done that, you'll have successfully purchased the game. As you're done purchasing the game, you could go ahead and download and install, as well as create your account and start playing Rimworld on PC or laptop. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.